In today's video, I'm going to talk about what to look for in an affiliate marketing program before you get started. So if you're looking to start an affiliate marketing business online, then you're going to want to check this video out. So stick around. Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Tamil, and I'm coming to you from mailboxmoneyblog.com. All right, so in today's video, I'm going to give you some things or some tips that you should be looking for before you start an affiliate marketing program. And there are some things that I think that are vital that you should look for in a program so that you know that you're not wasting your time marketing something that's not a good fit for you. So let's get started. Now, one of the first things that I think that you should be looking for in an affiliate marketing program is that you should find an affiliate program that has a high commission payout. So you want to know like how much is going to be paid out once I start marketing this product or service online. And I think that that's something that's extremely important, because if you don't know what you're going to be, how much you're going to get paid for this particular program, then how do you know that you're not wasting your time and your efforts promoting something that's not going to give you a return on your value? So one of the things you need to look for is high commission payouts to make it worth your time and your effort to basically promote products online, because it does take time to promote products. I mean, we're talking about having to, market products. Maybe some of it's free marketing, some of it might be paid marketing if you have the budget for it. And we're talking about, getting this product in front of as many people as possible. So you're probably going to want to put your time and effort behind a product that has a high commission payout to make it worth your time. So you want to find out, how much does this product pay every time I make a sale? All right, so another thing that you want to find is that you want to seek out programs that have reoccurring commissions. For example, digital programs have reoccurring commissions typically, especially if the customer is paying on a monthly basis. So if you have something like a monthly subscription that someone is paying on every single month, let's say it's $50, then you know that you're going to get a cut of that $50 every single month for that particular customer. So if you multiply that by 100 customers that has bought a product from you, and you've gotten a cut from it, then you've got 100 customers that are paying faithfully every single month. So you have passive income that's coming in. So now let's check out a program that I use myself that I think is awesome for reoccurring commissions that pay you every single month. And one great thing about this particular program is that it's a digital program. So one great thing about this particular program that I have right here is that this program allows you to take these particular products and it allows you to market them online. So you can take any of these type of products and basically sell them online and get paid a commission for it. So if the product is, a $50 product, we're talking about high commission payout, which means that you get majority of that money. So the great thing about, this particular program that I'm a part of right now is that it's an educational program. And I typically, invest my time in educational digital programs that are online. Why? Because one, those educational programs, they teach you things, and people love education. They love to be taught. They love to learn things. And also, too, it is a monthly subscription. And so by being a monthly subscription, you can expect to have residual income on a high commission payout program that basically teaches people how to market online and teach people how to, get better skills and to learn something that can actually help them in their business. So this particular program I like because you can take any of these type of your affiliate products and you can basically place them on your website or however it is that you decide to market them. And they do come with a certain amount of dollars, that you're going to pay for this particular program. So when you have products like this is actually quite awesome to have. So that's what it is when you have a digital program or a digital product that's online that you're promoting as an affiliate marketing program. So I prefer those type of educational platforms. So now the third thing that you should be looking for if you're looking to promote an affiliate product, then you want some company that has like dedicated training. And so the great thing about looking for a company that has dedicated training, that means that they have training that's going to be either weekly, it's going to be daily, it's going to be basically for their affiliates, teaching them how to promote their products, teaching them how to market their products. What's the best way to market their products online? And so when you have that dedicated training, you don't feel like you're by yourself. You feel like you have, some sort of, assistance in helping get you off the ground and helping to get that product in front of more people. So that's one thing that you should be looking for, is you should look for an affiliate program that has, dedicated weekly training calls. I don't care if it's, once a week, but at least have some training calls that you can join on a weekly basis that's dedicated to helping you succeed in your affiliate marketing business. Now, another thing that you should be looking for, in an affiliate program is a little to no, monthly fee, startup fee. So if you're looking for an affiliate program, you want an affiliate program that basically allows you to either get in for free or get in for a very low startup cost. So when you think about an affiliate program, I'm just going to go and I'm going to show you the one that I'm working on right now. This affiliate program that I'm working on right now, this affiliate program has several different levels that you can come in at. So it has a very low level that you can come in at that's really affordable for anyone to pay on a monthly basis, which is like a basic level. Then they have an intermediate level that you can come in at if you're really serious about marketing your business online. And then it has a pro level, like a very higher level for people that are just serious, all in. They're really ready to, just take it by the horns, their business, and really take it to the next level. So there's different levels that you can come in at. But I suggest that you look for a program that has a very low startup cost. Either they're, starting off at a very low amount, 20, 30 bucks a month, something that is affordable for the average person, either that amount or either no startup costs. And what they're looking for is that you sell a certain amount of products a month. So that's kind of what you want to look for. Something that's easy to get into, something that's not going to cost you a ton of money. You want to start off that way. Now, another thing that you want to look for inside of an affiliate marketing program before you get started is you want to look to see if they have top-notch marketing tools. Now, this is extremely important because let's say that you're a beginner and you're just starting off in affiliate marketing, then you want a program that's going to help you to deliver this product to a potential customer. So you want, marketing tools that are top-notch, that have the best, lead capture pages, or that has, the best type of templates or training videos to capture people's attention. So let me show you something right here. So the program that I'm working with right now, what it has is a built-in software called the Funnelizer, which basically has landing pages that are already pre-built for you. So you can go through and you can pick out any type of landing page that's basically going to help you to promote your product online. So it's called the Funnelizer, and they're beautifully designed funnels that will help to, build your email list. And email list is extremely important, in this type of business because, like they say, the fortune is in the follow-up, and you want to build an email list of people that are interested in what you have to offer, and you want to build a relationship with them. So the great thing about having, top-notch marketing material that, can help you build a business and a customer base is extremely important. So you want to have that type of marketing material to help, catch the person's eye and to basically build your email list up so that you have potential customers. So I'm going to show you what I'm talking about right here. These marketing tools that I'm talking about that you can use, which are pretty much, tools that can help you to capture leads, is going to be in Funnelizer. So let me show you exactly what that is. So this is a Funnelizer right here, and what you can do is you can go through and you can pick out, basically any type of landing page that you want that will fit the type of product that you're marketing online. So that's what you want. You either want videos, you want landing pages, you want something that can help to capture that lead and get that person's information so that you can follow back up with them. So that's one of the things that I find to be extremely important is, marketing tools that you don't have to go to a third party to try to look for and also spend more money on when you already are working with an affiliate program who should provide you all of that stuff in the first place. So make sure that you are looking for marketing tools that will help you, build that customer base up. All right, guys, so if you're looking for a way to build an online business or to build an affiliate marketing business online, then you're going to need some training for it. And there's training out there that can help show you how to build that business up so that you can begin to create an income for yourself and so that you can begin to brand yourself online. So one of the things that I like about the program that I'm working with is it teaches you everything from social media prospecting and recruiting online. It teaches you things about how to collect leads, how to follow up with those leads, and also too what to say to those leads once you have those leads and you have their information. What do you say to them? How do you capture their attention, and how do you make the sale? And so these are some training material right here that basically can help you with your potential prospect. So it says, how you can call your leads and prospect with them, how you can close sales, how you can use social media like Facebook Messenger to basically get your message out there about your affiliate program. Another thing too is that this program offers is it shows you how to close people. So if you're in not only just affiliate marketing, but any type of online business, even if it's network marketing, this right here is what can help you to market your business online. And that's what you want to do. You want to make sure that you know how to market your business online so that you can get those customers reaching out to you. All right, guys, and the last thing that I want to share with you, which is a bonus of mine, because I said it's going to be 5, things that you should look for before you even get started with an affiliate program. My bonus for you is that you should look for a high brand recognition and, a brand that has a great reputation. You want a brand that is known for, treating their customers well, their affiliates well, that are known for paying out, great commissions, that are on time, that has great customer service. You want someone that has a, very good reputation online, because once people find out that you're marketing a product that is not from a great company, they're not going to do business with you. So make sure that you're looking for affiliate programs that have, very good reputations. All right, guys, well, I hope you got some value out of this video today. And before you go out and you start, just signing up for affiliate programs, then make sure that you are looking for these particular things in an affiliate marketing program before you get started. And, if you want to learn any more information about, starting a business online, then make sure that you check me out at mailboxmoneyblog.com, where I'm always, putting up valuable content for you guys who are looking to start and grow an online business, where you want to make money from home. So make sure that you head over to mailboxmoneyblog.com so that you can get more valuable information. I'm constantly putting up new information. So, go ahead and check me out there. And lastly, if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you like what you heard. And if you have any type of, questions or anything, make sure that you put them down in the comment section below, because I do check the comment section and I will reply to you. And if there's anything that I left out in this video, then be sure to share it with me down in the comment section below as well. All right, guys, so thanks for watching this video. Make sure that you turn on that bell notification and subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos just like this. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video.